Imagine a place where it rains so much that umbrellas become a part of daily fashion. Welcome to Mawsynram Cherrapunji, the wettest place on earth. Nestled in the mountain in a calendar year, a record it clinched from its nearby rival, Cherrapunji. So how wet is the wettest place on earth? Picture an annual average of about 470 inches of rainfall. That's almost 40 times more than what the rainiest cities in the Western world receive. It's enough to transform rivers into roaring torrents and turn hillsides into cascading waterfalls. The inhabitants of this region have adapted to this watery existence in remarkable ways. Daily of raindrops. The locals don't just endure the relentless deluge, they embrace it. With a smile and an umbrella in hand, they go about their routine, whether it's farming, fishing, or just heading to the market. The houses here are built to endure the constant downpour, stand the heaviest of rains. The landscape nurtured by the ceaseless showers, the rain and fauna that call this place home. To rare species of birds that thrive in the wet climate, Mawsynram Cherrapunji is more than just a meteorological phenomenon, influencing their traditions, their cuisine, and even their folklore. It's a constant in Mawsynram Cherrapunji, the rain is not just a weather condition, it's a way of life. A rich and diverse world of wildlife thrives. Nurturing an abundance of flora and fauna. Itself, on one hand, you have the common, also known as the barking deer, with its big cat that thrives in the dense forest. The rainforest also plays host of Assam, which finds refuge in the secluded wetlands of the forest. But it's not just that play a vital role in maintaining the of nature. It's a place where life survive, but to thrive. Beyond the rain and wildlife, Mawsynram Cherrapunji is a canvas of stunning natural beauty. Here, the magic of nature unfolds in a symphony of lush green landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. It's a place where the earth's verdant hues are painted in the richest of greens. a testament to the life-giving power of the rain. The terrain is dotted with majestic waterfalls, their thunderous roars echoing through the valleys, creating a harmonious melody that resonates with the rhythm of the rain. These are not just waterfalls, they are cascading curtains of liquid crystal, glistening under the soft glow of the sun, adding a surreal beauty to the landscape. But the marvels of Mawsynram Cherrapunji do not stop at the waterfalls. Venture deeper into this wonderland and you'll come across the unique living root bridges. Crafted by the Khasi tribes over centuries, these bridges are woven from the roots of the rubber fig trees, creating a perfect blend of man-made ingenuity and nature's resilience. These bridges stand as a symbol of harmony between humans and nature, a relationship nurtured by the continuous patter of the rain. The plant life here is as diverse as it is vibrant. Step into the rain-soaked woods and you'll be greeted by a variety of ferns, their delicate fronds unfurling in the cool, damp air. Among these greens, you'll spot the striking colors of the orchids, their petals a stark contrast against the verdant backdrop. Mawsynram Cherrapunji is home to a myriad of these exotic flowers, their intricate beauty nurtured by the unceasing rain. Every element here, from the towering waterfalls to the smallest fern, is a testament to the nurturing power of the rain. It's a place where life thrives, where every drop of rain breathes life into the canvas of nature, creating a landscape that's nothing short of a masterpiece. In Mawsynram Cherrapunji, nature paints its masterpiece with a brush dipped in rain. Mawsynram Cherrapunji is more than just the wettest place on earth. It's a celebration of life in all its forms. Let's take a moment to recap this extraordinary place. Mawsynram Cherrapunji holds the title for the area with the most rainfall in the world. A place where the sky is often painted with shades of grey and the rhythm of falling rain is a constant backdrop. This incessant rain breathes life into the lush and vibrant rainforests, transforming the region into a true paradise. But it's not just the rain that makes Mawsynram Cherrapunji special. It's the abundance of life that thrives here. This area is a sanctuary for a diverse array of wildlife. From the smallest insects to the most majestic of creatures, the rainforest is teeming with life. It's a living, breathing testament to the power and beauty of nature. And then there's the landscape, the rolling hills, the cascading waterfalls, the verdant valleys, and the misty mountains. It's a sight to behold, a symphony of colors and textures that captivates the senses. It's a place where nature's artistry is on full display and every view is a masterpiece. These elements, the rain, the wildlife, the landscape, they all come together to create an experience that is truly unique. It's a place where you can feel the pulse of the earth, where you can watch the circle of life unfold right before your eyes. It's a place that reminds us of our connection to the natural world and the delicate balance that exists within it. Into a world where nature reigns supreme, where every drop of rain, every creature, every leaf, and every stone tells a story. It's a place that captivates, that intrigues, and awe. Mawsynram Cherrapunji, where the rain is a melody, the wildlife a symphony, and the landscape a poem. Now that you've heard about Mawsynram Cherrapunji, would you imagine setting foot in a place where the rhythm of rain orchestrates the symphony of life? A land creating the most mesmerizing sights. A place where the misty clouds play hide and seek with the verdant valleys, and where every breath you take is a gulp of pure, untainted air. That's Mawsynram Cherrapunji for you, a paradise that will make you fall in love with rain. Yes, it's a place that receives the highest rainfall on earth, but don't let that deter you from planning your visit. The best time to visit is during when the rain breathes life into the landscape, turning it into an artist's dream. But if you'd rather offer a cooler, drier climate, revealing a completely different but equally enchanting side of this rain-drenched land. When you It's not just another destination, it's an experience. Bring along your raincoat, your boots, and this is a place where umbrellas are as essential as your passport, and where every drop of rain tells a story. Venturing into the heart of this rainforest paradise, you'll encounter a wealth of biodiversity. From the rarest orchids to the most exotic insects, and from the unique local fauna to the vibrant bird species. Isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a sensation that to explore a world where rain rules and nature dances to its tunes? If the answer is yes, then it's time to start planning. Pack your raincoat, embrace